good morning student. Today we have start topic socialism in Russia. All political parties were illegal in Russia before 1940. जो भी political parties थी रशिया में वो क्या थी, illegal थी 1914 से पहले. The Russian Social Democratic Workers Party was founded in 1898 by socialists who respected Marx's ideas. However, because of government policy, it had to operate as an illegal organization. It set up a newspaper, mobilized workers, and organized strikes. Some Russian socialists feel that the Russian peasant customs of dividing land periodically made them natural socialists. So peasants, not workers, would be the main force of revolution, and Russia would become socialist more quickly than other countries. Socialists were active in the countryside through the late 19th century. They formed the Socialist Revolutionary Party in 1900. This party struggled for peasant rights and demanded that land belonging to nobles be transferred to peasants. Social Democrats disagreed with socialist revolutionaries about peasants. Lenin felt that peasants were not one united group. Some were poor and others rich. Some worked as laborers while others were capitalists who employed workers. Given this differentiation within them, they could not all be a part of socialist movement. The parties were divided over the strategy of organization. Vladimir Lenin, who led the Bolshevik group, thought that in the repressive society like the Tsarist Russian, the party should be disciplined and should control the number of quality of its members. ओके अब देखिए टर्बुलेंट टाइम इन द 1905 revolution. Russia was an autocracy, unlike other European rulers. Even at the beginning of 12th century, the Tsar was sorry, the Tsar was not subject to parliament. Liberal in Russia campaigned to end this state of affairs. Together with social democrats and socialist revolutionaries, they worked with peasants and workers during the revolution on 1905 to demand a constitution. अब उन्होंने क्या डिमांड किया, एक संविधान डिमांड किया. They were supported in the empire by nationalists in Poland, for instance, and in Muslim-dominated areas by Jadis, who wanted modernized Islam to lead their society. Sorry. In the year 1904 was a particularly bad one for Russian workers. Prices of essential goods rose so quickly that real wages declined by 20%. Membership of worker associations rose dramatically. When 4 members of Assembly of Russian Workers, which had been formed in 1904, were dismissed at the Putilon Iron Works, there were a call for industrial action. Over the next few days, our workers in St. Petersburg went on strike demanding a reduction in working days to 8 hours. Working days के लिए उन्होंने स्ट्राइक की और 8 आवर के लिए कहा गया. इंक्रीजिंग वेजेस एंड इम्प्रूवमेंट इन वर्किंग कंडीशन, वेजेस इंक्रीज करने के लिए कहा और वर्किंग कंडीशन को भी इंक्रीज करने के लिए कहा. When the procession of workers led by Father Gapan reached the winter place, it was attacked by the police and Cossack. Over 100 workers were killed and about 300 wounded. The incident, known as Bloody Sunday, started a series of events that became known as 1905 Revolution. Strike took place all over the country and university closed down when student bodies take walkouts, complaining about the lack of civil liberties. Lawyers, doctors, engineers, and other middle class workers established the union and demanded a constituent assembly. During 1905 revolution, the Tsar allowed the creation of an election consultative parliament or Duma for a brief while during the revolution there existed a number of trade union and factory committees made up of factory workers. After 1905, most committees and unions worked unofficially since they were declared illegal. Some restrictions were placed on political activity. The Tsar dismissed the first Duma within 75 days and re-elected second Dumas within 3 months. He did not want any question of this authority or any reduction in his power. He changed the voting laws and packed the third term with conservative political liberal and leadership were kept out. इस तरीके से उन्होंने क्या मतलब वर्किंग आवर्स को कम करने के लिए कहा, वेजेस को इंक्रीज करने के लिए कहा, ताकि उनकी कंडीशन जो है वर्कर्स की स्थिति जो है ठीक हो जाए. ओके, अब देखिए द फर्स्ट वर्ल्ड वार और रशियन एम्पायर के बारे में. 1914 वार ब्रोक आउट बिटवीन टू यूरोपियन अलायंस जर्मनी, ऑस्ट्रिया एंड तुर्की एंड फ्रांस, ब्रिटेन एंड रशिया. Each country had a global empire, and the war was fought outside the Europe as well as in Europe. This was the First World War. In Russia, the war was initially popular and people read around the Tsar Nicholas II. As the war continued, though, the Tsar refused to consult the main parties in Duma. Support to war then. Anti-German sentiments ran high, as you can see in the renaming of St. Petersburg, a German name, as Petersburg. The Thracian Alexander German origin and poor advisor, especially among Karl Raspin, made the autocracy unpopular. The First World War on the Eastern Front differed from that on the Western Front. In the West, armies fought from stretches along Eastern Front. In the Eastern Army, moved good ideas and fought battles leaving large vessels. Defeat was shocking and demonstrating. Russian army lost badly in Germany and Austria between 1940 and 19. There was over 7 million casualties by 1917. As they returned, the Russian army destroyed crops and buildings to prevent the enemy from being able to live off the land. Destruction of crops का destruction हुआ, ठीक है. The situation disgraced the government and the soldier did not wish to fight such a war. इस तरीके से वार जो है बहुत लाइफ को डिस्ट्रॉय किया, क्रॉप्स को डिस्ट्रॉय किया. इस तरह से देखिए फर्स्ट वर्ल्ड में रशियन सोल्जर. इंडस्ट्री पे भी अफेक्ट किया वार ने. रशियन नॉन इंडस्ट्री वर फ्यू इन नंबर्स एंड द कंट्री वॉज कट ऑफ फ्रॉम द अदर सप्लायर्स से भी कट ऑफ हो गई कंट्री. इस तरीके से रेलवे लाइन्स भी जो है ब्रेक हो गई और बहुत लाइफ को लॉस हुआ. ओके, तो ये फर्स्ट वर्ल्ड वार्स के अफेक्ट थे. और वार से कोई भी देखो कंट्री सक्सेस नहीं होती बल्कि लॉस में ही जाती है. थैंक यू स्टूडेंट.